Hello everyone, welcome to another video lecture of Mathematics Solution channel, and today we are going to discuss about the multivariable calculus. Here I am going to consider another problem which is basically change of order of integration. So while solving this kind of problem, it is not possible to solve directly changing the dy as a dx as a dy. It is not possible. So we need to follow some certain procedure. So that is called change of order of integration. And before that, let us consider the given integration, that is double integration. So integral 0 to 1 x to root x xy dy into dx as I, capital I. Now, so what are the given conditions here? The x limit which is varies from 0 to 1 and y is varies from x to root x. So that is y is equal to x and another value y is equal to root x. Now look at this here. We can write it as x is equal to root x, correct, because y is equal to x. This is the same y here, so x is equal to root x. Now to solve this equation, I am going to take square on both sides, so this will become x square is equal to x. Now bring all the x's one side or operate negative x on both sides. This will give x square minus x is equal to 0. Now we know x is common here, we'll take it out. So x into x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then this is the form like x plus a into x plus b. We can write it as x plus a is equal to 0 and x plus b is equal to 0 independently. Similarly, we can write here which is x is equal to 0 and another value x is equal to 1. Now we got two values for x. So one is equal to one value is 0 and another one is 1. But here if you look at this equation, y is equal to x. So whatever the value x takes, the same value we can assign for y also. Therefore y is varies from 0 and another value which is equal to 1. Therefore the point of intersections are 0 comma 0 and another 1 comma 1. So this is the first condition. And let's go to the next one. We have y is equal to x. Therefore if you go to the two-dimensional plane, x-axis and y-axis, if I substitute 0 for either x or y, so it will take again 0 comma 0. And if you substitute 1, it will take 1 comma 1. Let us take here, so probably here 1 comma 1. If you substitute 2, it will take 2 comma 2. Therefore the line which is passing through the origin, which gives 45 degree to the y-axis and the x-axis. So this is the line. The equation is x is equal to y. And we have another equation, y is equal to root x, or this equation can be written as y square is equal to x. Now y square is equal to 4x. This is general formula for the parabola equation, which is passing through the which is symmetric to the x-axis. So here it is y square is equal to x. If you substitute the same value, if x is equal to 0, this will become 0. X is equal to 1, y square will become 1. So definitely it will passing here. Therefore the equation will become, so the diagram will become like this, and the complete covered region, this is the covered region. Now we need to find the area of this region. And then what is the 0 comma 0? That is 0 comma 0. Therefore x is passing through x value which is equal to 0 and which is 1. So this is the value 1 comma 1. Now this equation, the parabola equation, y is equal to root x, or we can write x is equal to y square. And then the point here it is 1 comma 0 and here is 0 comma 1 and this point is 1 comma 1. Now we need to find the values of x and y. Now which one is the constant value take and which one is the variable value take? Obviously y is the value which is a constant and x value is a variable. So y is varies from the y value. What is the value here? It is 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 0. Therefore y is varies from 0 to 1. What about x? If you go to from left to right, and the first curve which is covered here is y to root x. We are finding x value, so here is root x. So this equation will become x square is x is equal to y square. So y square to, what is the y value? Here it is x. So x is equal to y. So y square to y. Now we got all the values. That is, y is varies from 0 to 1 and x is varies from y square to y. Now substitute in this equation, what you will get? That is, capital I is equal to integral. Look at here, we are doing the change of order of integration. So xy double integration xy dx into dy. So the value dy is changed as dx and dx changed as dy. Now what is the x value here? Which is changing y square to y, and y is changing to 0 to 1. Now we know how to do the integration. The first thing, take the y value as it is, and then y square value integration x into y. What is the y square? X integration, y is constant here, x will become x square by 2 and the limit varies from y square to y into dy. Now this is the value for x. Upper limit is y and lower limit is y square. Substitute here. Here it is 0 to 1 and y into y square will become y cube by 2 minus, already it is y square. If you substitute that, y power 4 into y, that will become y power 5 divided by 2 into dy. Now we need to do the integration with respect to y, therefore x will become constant. Now y power 3 in divided by 2, y power 3 will become y power 4 divided by 4 into 2 minus y power 5 will become y power 6 divided by 6 into 2. Already we have, the limit varies from 0 to 1. Now again the lower limit is 0. If you go with 0, the complete value will become 0. Don't go 0, directly substitute the upper limit. So this will become 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. If you take the LCM, finally you will get 1 by 24. So this is the integration for the given integration, solution for the given integration. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more updates.